So this is a video on how to do crypto for beginners. The first thing you want to do, you want to get yourself a ledger. Go down in the description below, amazon.co.uk. You're going to find it where you can go buy a ledger. That is the first step. Then you want to get a good phone to carry your crypto, or you can get a MacBook or anything. Both links are down below. Got a MacBook Pro link, which is what I use. I've made so much money from this MacBook. It has never been so much more worth spending the money I spend for it. And the phone as well, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, we got it on a discount on Amazon. It is beautiful to keep yourself custodial wallets so nothing goes wrong. So you got down below in the description the MacBook, the phone, and the ledger, which you should go get to start your crypto journey. So I just wanted to explain crypto to you guys a little bit. So now you see the metaverse, like you see all these kids, they love games, they love where it's going now, the whole narrative with the Apple headset Pro. That's what you see the most kids be wearing and playing with now. So even elder people. So when that's the case and they're incorporating a thing of Bitcoin payments for it to be used to buy NFTs, metaverse items or things like that, the stock is only ever going to go up, and it will pump hundreds of percents, thousands of percents, meaning tens of x's, 20 of x's, 30, 40, 50, and so be it. So that's that. Also, the link below will be aimformillis.uk for you to go and buy the ebook for £47. All you have to do is go press learn more, and then you got the ebook now, which has 12 years of study of the Bitcoin markets, and you will literally be a professional just from buying that. So I'm just showing you guys how to really utilize this day and time right now where we are now. Today is the 8th of July 2024, and I believe that we can see a 10x this month. We can see it coming anytime, so don't lack. Alright, so as I said, I will always give you guys a gem that is a 10x that will help you out. Go look at Fetch AI, that's going to be a 10x gem. Anyhow, forget that, because all that's on the ebook, and with my Patreon, when you join my Telegram servers or follow me on Insta, you will see a lot more. So that is that. We put in 4.5k, went to 10k easy, went to Manchester, I bought the best apartment that there was there, sauna, jacuzzi, swimming pool. It was the best apartment, stayed there for like a week, 6 days. It was fun. So crypto does pay, and that is just the proof of it. So anyway, that is basically all I really have to say to you lot. Go get those things down in the description below. Also go get the ebook so you know which apps to download, and you guys will be on the run, ready to start making some big bucks. Take care, you lot. Love and light. You know how it goes. Take care. And I'm wishing to see you all back on my next video. So stay tuned. Subscribe, like, share, comment on what you think about the video, and spread the word of mouth. Bitcoin, everyone needs to know about it. So yeah, take care, you lot. Have so much more fun today for the rest of your lives, and I hope we speak again. Take care.